In this fast Propresenter tutorial, we'll look at how we can add a timer to a slide so that you can see it in your presentation. Let's get started. So for this video, I am going to firstly create a new slide. So I'm in my fast Propresenter presentation, going up to edit, and I'm going to add a new slide. Now this slide, I'm going to display a timer on here. So I want a countdown timer. So let's go and add a nice shape first. We might put this one in a circle. So I'm just holding down Shift as I drag this out to keep it even. And then I'm going to put that in the middle of my slide. I'm going to bring my text back above my shape so that it's on top. And I'm going to increase that so it's nice and big and change the color of my circle so that it's a bit easier to read. Now, in my text box here, to show a timer, what I need to do is I need to go to text. I'm going to choose linked text. So that's getting the text from somewhere else. My source is going to be my timer. And for this one, I'm going to use my countdown timer that I set up in my countdown video as part of my timers. What do I want to show on my countdown timer? Well, I only want to show the minutes and the seconds. So I can go here and say no hours and no milliseconds. And then it will just show the minutes and the seconds. And down here, I could add in, if I wanted, that when we reach 10 seconds, it's going to change its color to red so that everyone knows that we're almost there. In fact, let's change that so that it is going to do it at 1 second. And that's how we can add timers to a slide. When I go back here, I click my timer and my slide. And if I start my countdown timer, it's going to start counting down. Thanks for watching this fast Propresenter 7 tutorial. Don't forget that if you found this confusing or you'd like more information, our longer tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel.